Hi guys, my name is Zena. I'm the editorial director at Hum, and we are attempting to tidy up Marie Kondo style. For those of you who don't know who Marie Kondo is, she wrote this book called The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up a few years ago that has since been turned into a TV show. So, Marie Kondo has a very specific method of tidying your home, and it goes a little something like this. You organize your home in categories. So instead of going room by room, you go through items by type of item. And she has a very specific order. So you start with clothing, then books, paper, Komodo, which is kind of the miscellaneous category, and then last but not least, sentimental mementos. For each of these categories, you take every item in your home in that category and put it in one pile. This helps you to see the volume of everything that you have. You then go through item by item and decide whether each item sparks joy for you. If it does, it stays. If it doesn't, it goes. That way, at the end, you're left with a home that is only full of things that spark joy for you.
Hi, I'm Chloe and I am on the social media team at Hum. I want to tidy up my space because I recently went through a breakup and my ex-boyfriend moved out. So now it is my own sanctuary and I want to make it feel like my own.
So my name is Christa and I am the social media strategist at Hum. So I want to tidy up to make better use of my time, my space, and not be as wasteful.
I really want to try this right now at this time in my life because I've been feeling really heavy and stagnant dealing with like this eczema issue on my hands that's been ongoing. So I just think that tidying the space around me is a really nice way to tap into like positive energy and feeling light and being able to create that environment around you when you don't necessarily feel it inside of your body in a given moment.
So what I like about this method is that she focuses on what truly sparks joy for me.
I love how she blesses the home and like thanks it. Oh my God, I'm like literally so excited to do that because I haven't done it yet.
The thing that I really love about Marie Kondo is that she's just such a lovely, positive, spiritful sprite. Like she never shames anybody for wanting to keep something. She's never, coming at things with negativity and like, you need to get rid of this. But it's just like all built on the premise of surrounding yourself with things that you love, which I think is such a beautiful philosophy to organize your life by.
My biggest problem areas in terms of clutter is definitely my closet. I'm always digging around trying to look for something, never really finding it.
I rush, meaning I will get home and kind of just throw everything everywhere. It'll be tucked away, but it'll be hidden behind a door, and then you'll open that door and see stuff everywhere. I really want to feel refreshed, and I want to feel like the space is finally my own, and it's kind of like a new space for me.
We'll be cluttering out, I suspect, a lot of stuff, finding out what sparks joy in our lives, and hopefully creating some sacred spaces in our homes. Let's see how it goes. Here is all of my clothing on a giant pile in the bed. Note that before I could even start this process, I pulled out Big Chill. I ended up with 2 big bags of clothes. Time to do books. All right, the next category I'm doing is paper. And I think we can start with this stack of magazines right here. Yeah. It's gonna be a fun one. You can tell already. Okay, I've done my clothing, I've done my books, I've done my paper, and the next category is Komodo, which is kind of everything else besides your sentimental items, which is its next category. Holy moly. Ugh. I don't know why I thought this was gonna be a quick one. I'm so used to there being so much stuff on my bathroom counter that when I walked in just now, it felt like I had just moved into a brand new apartment. Huh.
I've come to realize that I have a lot of clothes and I don't want to get rid of any of them. I feel like so many of these clothes I've like never worn before. Some of them still have price tags on them. And I feel like some of them are not even mine, like they're my sister's. Okay. All right. I love this. It brings me joy. I'm gonna keep it.
So I am doing this challenge because, to cut to the chase, I moved here in the end of September 2018, started working at home in October, moved here with my boyfriend of 3.5 years, all the way from Chicago, and we broke up. I think sometimes life just doesn't go as planned and you have to roll with the punches. And I really wish I could have Marie Kondo here to tell me that everything was gonna be okay, but I'm just gonna pretend like she's here. So let's get started. Wish me luck. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh my God, stuck again. Just when I thought I was making progress, I forgot that I have a shoe collection. Woo! That was crazy. I have a lot of crap. Like, it's sad. I need a sip of wine.
It is 2 weeks later. We have completed our tidying, and yeah, it was good. I think it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be.
The tidying process was extremely difficult. It was way more difficult than I had imagined. I think like I just accumulated so much stuff and I always thought, oh, there's a purpose for this. But then as I was going through it, I was like, this does not spark joy for me.
I broke it down into parts, and I would kind of do like a section at a time. So that made it more manageable, and I actually feel like it was like kind of a nice cathartic process to just clear out.
I think the hardest part is getting rid of like personal things for me, like personal decor pieces that I don't really want anymore that I've had in old apartments and stuff like that, and just realizing that I need to start new.
My favorite tidying area before and after was probably my bathroom, just because I always have so much stuff out on my counter. It's like everything I use in a day just like stays thrown around on the counter. Afterwards, I walked into my bathroom and my counter is completely clear. And when you open the drawers, it's like everything I need has a place. And you know, if I have guests over and they want to open a bathroom drawer, like let them see what's in there. I've never been more proud of my drawers in my life.
Things that I got rid of. I got rid of a lot of stuff like college wear.
Tote bags, purses I don't use, a wetsuit I've never worn,
Soy sauce packets and hot sauce packets and chili sauce packets.
a lot of pantry items, a lot of skincare stuff.
I had a lot of pieces of paper lying around, a lot of mail.
I found out I had 3 whisks, 3 of the exact same whisk. I have no idea why, but I got rid of 2, so now I have just the one that I need.
Percentage of things that I got rid of, I probably got rid of like 30%.
It was probably on like the 15%, which sounds small maybe. I know in watching the show, there were a lot of people that seemed like they got rid of like 40%, but it felt significant.
I absolutely do recommend this post-breakup. There's so many things that I think you're holding on to that you shared with your ex-significant other, whether it's like a piece of clothing or a piece of decor, and I think you're really able to let go when you can let go of those pieces and those memories that come along with them.
I feel so good. I feel relieved. I feel stress-free. I'm excited. I feel like everything has a place now and everything serves a purpose.
For me, I left with just a sense of pride that I don't know was entirely there about my home before.
So I think that's the best part about it. It's like a sense of relief.
So that's it. We have officially tidied up Marie Kondo style. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, let us know what you thought, and stay tuned for more videos. What do I want to say about this? What do I want to say? The part is hard. You just collecting bloopers now.
So that's the end of our tidying experience.
No, don't do that.